Hi, my name is Kai, the founder and CEO of Tuesday. In this video, I will show you how you can use Tuesday's AI email writer to generate 8x more reply rates without spending any time on personalizing cold emails and LinkedIn messages. Without further ado, let's get into it. So right in front of me is the Tuesday account, and we are going to go to the Tuesday's homepage. And from here, you can see when you try to create a new worksheet, there are different templates that you can select. In cold outreach, there's personalized sales emails, personalized LinkedIn messages, and personalized outbound sequence. So these serve different purposes, but let's get into it by selecting personalized sales emails. So we've recently launched the AI email writer tool, and that is a whole replacement for the previous AI email writer. So in this new tool, it makes writing AI emails much simpler and gives you options as easy as clicking a few options. So if you click at the header, you'll see that now we have a contact section, which is automatically linked to your knowledge base. So including customer stories, value proposition by persona, company info, right, LinkedIn data, my profile. So these are information that exists in either your knowledge base or in the current worksheet. So as you can see here, the LinkedIn data column is linked to the prospect. So AI knows that this is information about the prospect who you are trying to reach out via email. Right. So the rest of these are actually they exist in your LinkedIn, they exist in your knowledge base, and you can go into your knowledge base and edit them however you like. And when you save, they will apply to all future message generation tasks. So let's go back. This is the context section, and now below it is configure section. Now in this AI email writer tool, we've made it super easy for you to configure exactly the right format that you want the email to be. So here, channel, you can select email or LinkedIn, and then for use case, for example, if it's email, you have introduction, reply, follow-up, proposal, breakup. So here I'm going to select email and introduction. In the next session, you can even optionally pass in previous messages that you've sent to the prospect. So this is super useful if you're generating a multi-step campaign where in your follow-up email, you may want to tell the AI, hey, these are the previous messages that we already sent this prospect. And the AI will write the next message with the context in mind. And to link this to the previous message, super easy. You just type at from the keyboard, and then you can select the previous message if there's a column that exists in your current worksheet. In this case, it's a simple use case, so we are not going to bother with that. Next, you can select the intent. Are you trying to pitch, nurture, book a call, or maybe try better timing? So in this case, I'll leave it as default. You can select the tone, be informal, creative, direct, bold, or even add your own tone and name it so that you can reuse this tone. And here is the bonus. Right? You can even enter an example message with desired tone. So if there is a message that you saw somewhere, maybe in your inbox, some other person sent you, and you really like it, you can just paste the content of the message here and click on this improve prompt. This button will turn this example message into the tone prompt, which you can then use to replicate that tone in your own messages. Now, there are predefined structures that you can choose. For example, a personal structure is going to keep the message super personal. You can try statement, which is going to make a statement about the pain points. Social proof, it will leverage social proof in your material on your website to try to pitch the prospect. You can also list the different problems and pain points the prospect might face as anticipated by the AI. Of course, you can even define your own structure, and you can also just paste in an example message that you really like, but you don't know how to turn that into a prompt and use it generically for all future messages. Well, now you can. You can simply just paste that message into this description box and then click on improve prompt. And that way, the AI will automatically turn this example message into a reusable email structure and apply it to future scenarios. So, of course, you can customize the prompt to make it even more personal and fit your use case better. So if there's something that you want to adjust about the message that you are seeing the generation that you don't like, you can just tell the AI. So this is an overview of the configuration. And let's first look at what the current message looks like. I'm going to use my friend's profile, Vin. So Vin is a B2B influencer who just started his own agency. And now let's take a look at what kind of emails is generated in Tuesday's AI email writer. So here the task is finished. Here you can see this is the original message, and these two, notice these arrow icons. So these are the reference columns, which basically means turning these fields into their separate columns, so we can use these columns in further steps. So here it says, hey Vin, let's do building B2B influencer marketing programs. Sounds exciting. And then it tries to anticipate the pain point, and then come and pitch Tuesday. Now, this is already pretty good, but let's try and make it even better. So here I'm going to return to AI email writer's configuration step. So you can click on this header to get back into it, or you can, at this step, when you're viewing any message, right, you can click on this button called edit this step, and that will take you to the same place. Anyways, this is the bonus. So let's add the custom prompt to tell it, ghost the person's LinkedIn profile in your message. Oh yeah, let's try and see how that works. We're going to rerun all rows in this worksheet. And here it is. I mean, who knew a former tech sales guy could turn into a TikTok star? You must have some wild stories. Well, instantly we got an even more personalized message. So try this out. This is our latest creation. I'm really, really proud of it and excited for you to try it and share your feedback. Thanks.